So Nitish Kumar, the CM of Bihar, or also known as Nitish Babu, he said so many things when he's sworn in as Chief Minister of Bihar that there will be law and order in Bihar and Bihar will become among the prosperous states of the country. But the yesterday's incidents clearly shows that there is complete lapse, complete absence of law and order from Bihar. So you all must have seen this video from Patna, an hospital in Patna, wherein certain criminals, around 4 or 5 in numbers, they entered an ICU room. And in the CCTV footage, you can clearly see that just as they were about to enter the ICU room, they pulled out their guns, cocked their guns, and they went inside. And reports have confirmed that these criminals they killed an under trial prisoner named Chandan Mishra, who was undergoing certain treatment, and they shot multiple fire into his stomach and chest, and he died. But this clearly shows that there is a serious lapse of security arrangement from prison department as well. Because whenever a criminal or an under trial is undergoing treatment at any hospital, it is the responsibility of the jail or the local police forces to provide security at the entrance and the surrounding of that particular compound where such treatment is undergoing. Because there have been several incidences where such criminals who have been going treatment, they have tried to flee, and also instances where attempts have been made to harm these deceased criminals. That's why this is, I think, a SOP, a standard operating procedure, that there must be some security guards protecting that particular premises, but it was not there. I mean, I would not call that this was a mistake. It was deliberately done in collusion with the criminals, so that those criminals they can come inside and kill that particular um, uh, under trial Chandan Mishra. And it's also true that Chandan Mishra had multiple cases against him, and he might also be part of a gang or an independent criminal. But that does not take away the responsibility from the police from protecting an under trial prisoner who was undertaking a treatment.